Good morning, my students. We are going to start with the class of phonics. Today, we are going to continue studying chart 6 in your book of phonics, okay? You can go to page 65 so we can continue with the practice of phonics, okay? So today, we are going to concentrate on words that starts with PL, with a combination with the special sound PL. The sound of PL is pl, 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 pl as in plain, 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 pl, 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 pl as in plain, plain. So we have, remember, when it's half a moon, it's short sound, okay? So we have pla, ple, pli, pla, plu. Remember, when we have the line, that means that it's long sound, okay? Long sound of A is A. Play, ply, plow, plew, plee. Again, play, ply, plow, plew, plee. Excellent. So let's start with the words, okay? Plain, 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 plate, 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 please, 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 pluck, 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 plant, 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 play, 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 plump, 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 pluck, 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 steps, steps, nest, nest, stake, stake, stack, stack. Very good. Okay, so let's start with this advanced word that is calm, and we are going to read these sentences, okay? Stan plants the seed. Stan planta las semillas. Stan plants the seed. God helps it come up. God helps it come up. Y Dios ayuda a que crezca. God sends sun and rain. God sends sun and rain. God sends sun and rain. Dios envía sol y lluvia. Okay? Very good. So let's continue with next page. On page 66, we have the special sound of fr, 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 fr as in frog, 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 fru, 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 fru as in frog, frog. So remember, half a moon is short sound, line is long sound. Frog, fruit, fre, fra, free. Frog, fur, fre, fra, free. Okay, now let's do the long sound. Frew, fry, fray, fro, free. Frew, fry, fray, fro, free. Excellent. So now let's go with the words. Fret, 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 frog, 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 fry, 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 free, 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 froze, 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 freeze, 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 frail, 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 frame, 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 sucks, 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 plums, 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 best, 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 frost, frost, frost. Excellent! So let's continue with the sentences. See Fred the frog. See Fred the frog. See Fred the frog. Fred sits on a log. Fred sits on a log. Fred sits on a log. Will Fred freeze? Will Fred freeze? No, he is not a frail frog. No, he is not a frail frog. Excellent, very good. Now let's go to the combination to the special sound of TR. Okay, so on TR we have the sound is tr, tr, tr. Tr as in train, train, train. Tr, tr, tr. Tr as in train, train. Okay, so let's practice. We have short sound and long sound. Remember. Tre, 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 tra, 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 tree, 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 true, 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 tro, tro, tro. Long sound. True, 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 try, 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 throw, 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 tree, 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 tray, tray, tray. Excellent. Let's go to the words. Trap, trims, truck, try, trap, trims, truck, try, trap, trims, truck, try, trail, track, trade, trips, trail, track, trade, trips, trail, track, trade, trips. Excellent! And now let's go with a combination of words of special sounds. Stuck, 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 plop, 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 free, 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 nails, nails, nails. Excellent, very good. So now we go with this little story, okay? So we have side words to and do. Train ride. The train makes fast trips. The train makes fast trips. The train makes fast trips. Trent likes to ride on it. Trent likes to ride on it. Trent likes to ride on it. A dog will try to keep. A dog will try to keep. A dog will try to keep up with the train. Up with the train. Up with the train. Can he do it? Can he do it? Can he do it? Ok, nos habla acerca del tren, ¿verdad? De ir en tren. Ok, dice que los trenes hacen viajes rápidos. Tren, el niño tren, le gusta andar en ellos. Ok, el perro trata, a dog will try to keep up with the train. Un perro trata de seguirle el paso a los trenes, a un tren. ¿Será que él puede? No, ¿verdad? Claro que no. Ok, so let's continue with the reading. Vamos a continuar con la lectura. we have the special sound sh, sh, S and H, sh, 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 S and H, sh, sh, sh. Okay, so we have S and H, sh, sh, as in sheep, 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 as in sheep, sheep, sheep. Okay, so let's start. Remember, short sound and long sound. Shu, sho, sha, she, she. Shu, sho, sha, she, she. Shu, sho, sha, she, she. She, shy, shay, shu, show. She, shy, shay, shu, show. She, shy, shay, shu, show. Excellent. So now go with the words. Shell, shell, shell. Ship, ship, ship. Shut, shut, shut. Shops, shops, shops. Shade, shade, shade. Shake, shake, shake. Shuck, shuck, shuck. Ship, ship, ship. Trash, 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 trash. Hush, hush, hush. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Wish, wish, wish. Excellent. So let's read this. K is shy. K is shy. Shall she pray? Shall she pray? Can God help K? Can God help K? Yes, God will help. Yes, God will help. Excellent. So we have with the TH now, okay? The sound of TH is D, as in tick, tick, tick. Aquí como que nos hacemos como una mordidita de lengua. Tick, 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 okay? This, this, this. Remember, short sound, long sound. The, 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 thu, the. Okay, now long sound. The, they, thou, thy, view. The, they, thou, view. Excellent, very good. So now we go with the words. Thumb, think, thought, death. Thumb, think, thought, death. Thumb, think, thought, death. Pat, math, with, fifth. Miren, al final es un t. Pat, math, with, fifth. Die, then, that, dine. Die, then, that, thine. Excellent. Bed has a moth. The moth can fly up the path. This is a fast moth. Okay, it has been a pleasure for me today. So if you have any question, you know that you can reach me. Goodbye.